Namaste. Back to the Wednesday section and the very powerful timing now, the Pradosha, exactly now. So some Wednesdays also on the Pradosha. We had other section also came on the Pradosha. So we are going to try today for Lord Shiva, very powerful mantra from the Vedas when they are chanting the Rudram. We will be chanting this. So we are going to try that. Of course, when that's composing the dance item, the every pradosha, he started on the one pradosha. Then whenever we are working, it's very unique. It came whenever we are working in Fridays, Saturdays. Every time it was pradosha whenever he is working with that item. So that's I remember very clearly. It's something very unique because every time when we are working with that item, it was on the day it was pradosham. So I remember with that item very clearly. So that's very powerful mantra chanting. Of course, you could chant like a mantra. You can go, and of course, we tried with the dance item with the singing also. So maybe we'll try both. And so Namaste Astu, our salutation to Lord Shiva, the great energy, and Bhagavan, Lord, generally, Vishveshwaraya, he is the Ishvara of the whole universe. So Vishveshwaraya, Mahadevaya, again Maha, as we do the Maha Yoga Mudra, also we say Maha Mudra we do, in the Hathinas we have in our Swamiji's very unique teaching, the Hathinas group, where the Maha Mudra we do, the two variations. So Maha, mighty, as we say the Maha Kali, Maha, so for Shiva, Mahadevaya, Trayambakaya. So who got the third eye we show the dance. So Trayambakaya, who got the three eyes, and Tripurantakaraya. So Tripuram, Antakaya, to finish that three, Tripuram is the three directions. So the three asuras, they had with the Vishwakarma, they built their own world. They have made their own very protective way. They made their space. They built with the Vishwakarma. One asura with the, I think with the gold, one asura with the silver, and the other asura with the bronze, I think. So with the metals, they had a very protective way. They made for them the space. So where they are having that like a court, no one can enter, no one can damage anything. So very strongly they have their own like a palace. So they couldn't enter even, they couldn't go, no one can go and destroy. So only Shiva can, because three eyes wide one, so he can only destroy. So when Shiva, but that also it has to come in the one line, like it has to come, all three has to come one place, then only he can destroy. So that time he was waiting for that Kshana, and he was just making that burned fully, totally. And the moment came, all the three loka for the three asuras, he burned. So Tripuram, so three directions, not loka. So Tripurantakaya, Anta means that end. So Tripurantakaya, Trikagni Kalaya, again who was that Agni from the third eye. So Trikagni Kalaya, Kalagni Rudraya, who overcome that Kala Agni also, the fire again, fire energy, who had the fire in his hand. So he overcome the Kala Agni. Rudraya, again Rudra, we say, when he is dancing, very strong with the vigorous dance, we call that Rudra Dandava. When he is dancing very strongly to destroy something, I mean, that's why people started to tell Shiva energy means destroyer, like that. According to our Swamiji, he says he is the changer. So the Rudraya, so they say when he is dancing, Rudra Danda, very strong dance, the form, different type of dance we say for Lord Shiva. when he's happily dancing, Ananda Tandava we say. That was the day the Arudra Darshan, very happily he was dancing. So that day only our Swamiji's Samadhi actually. So he was going every time for everything, Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. When he enjoys the music, he goes Shiva. When he's enjoying the dance, he goes Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. Everything. When he feels, because Shiva means goodness. So when he feels good, of course, for in everything he was feeling good actually. So always, so that's why he was going for everything Shiva, Shiva, Shiva like that. So when he is dancing, they giving that blissful dance. So that's what the day we call that Arudra Darshan. So that's the day was Swamiji's Samadhi, and so very special. Like that, Rudraya we say Rudratandavam. Of course, who wears that Rudraksha Mala? So that's also they say Rudran, who was the Rudraksha Mala. Of course, in the dance also the Raudram we say, to the expression there we talk about the 9 rasas. So in that the emotional we show the Raudram, the anger, the Raudram. So Rudraya. So Kala Agni Rudra, he overcome that Kala Agni, and the Neela Kantaya. Neelam, they for the color, Neela, Kanta means the neck, the throat. So who took the poison? So when they are Asuras and the Devas, they are churning the ocean to get the Amrita, the nectar. So for that nectar, when they are turned, as we talk about in the Navaratri, many auspicious things came up, including our Mahalakshmi. So in the end, when the Alakala poison we call Alakala Visham in Tamil we will say. So that Hala that when the poison came, no one think anything what we'll do. So everyone step back. So again, Lord Shiva only took that poison. He was drinking that. So we say when he drinks, so Parvati got terrified and go and stopping him. Don't swallow that poison like this. She was just putting her hand in his throat. So in the area. So he called it stop like that. So that's why we say like a ball we could see very easily. Some especially you can see. So that's why he called it Neelakanta for Lord Shiva. We have the name Neelakanta. So Neelakantaya Mrutyunjayaya, again he who overcomes the death. So that's why we in the Shavasana we have to feel that without any movement, just like the dead body, but we are consciously aware of the breathing. So we call it Shavasana. Some people calling the Mrityu Asana also they say. So Mrutyunjaya, Jaya means again the victory. So overcome the death. So Sarveshwaraya, again Sarva means everywhere. So Sarveshwaraya is everywhere. Sada Shivaya is every time, in everything. So Sada Shivaya, Shriman Mahadevaya Namaha. Again to Shri, the Maha, the mighty, the powerful energy, Deva, generally the Lord and the God. So Devaya Namaha, our salutation to Lord Shiva. So Pradosha time, very powerful actually. So as we talk about sometime before, when they are going to the temple, they do they call like a Sukshma Pradakshana. So they go like they start like going like a Pradakshana. They go up to Chandikeshwar. We say like where the water goes and come out when they are doing all the Abhishekams. The water point coming, that Go Mukha like that we call that place. So up to that they go again the Chandikeshwar also. We have in the all the Sannidhis, the Saint and Saintorum, around the Saint and Saintorum, each Murtis, they have their Sannidhi. So in that every Sannidhi, Chandikeshwar Sannidhi, they go and we tell our name and the star, our star we tell him. So he's next to Shiva as like Nandi facing Lord Shiva. For Nandi also very special Abhishekam they do, the puja they do for the Pradosha time. Of course, Chandikeshwar also, they go and tell our name and the star, and so he's there where the Abhishekam water going, the Jala. So nearby they go. So one Pradakshina from the front they start and go almost half Pradakshina. Again they come back to the front point, the center point, looking at the lingam. So like that they go a few rounds like pradakshina and apradakshina. Pradakshina and apradakshina. So pradakshina is the clockwise, apradakshina is the anti-clockwise. So like that they do in the pradoshanam, very special the pradakshina they do actually. So usually we go only the pradakshina when you are coming, the clockwise when you are coming the temple, the pradakshina when you do. So the pradosha time they do the opposite way also. That's called very special way doing in this timing. So dosha, all the doshas, clearing all the doshas. So pradosha, before that dosha comes, he is stopping, he is removing that pradosha, dosha. So that timing called pradosha. So we are going to try this like a chanting. We will try, and as we, ducks are composed for the dance, we are going to try singing also. We'll chant that Shiva, Gayatri Mantra, and we'll go for the chanting. Om Tat Purushaya Vidmahe Vakvishuddhaya Dhimahi Tanno Shivaha Prachodayate. Om Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Trayambakaya Tripurantakaya Trikagnikalaya Kalagnirudraya Nilakantaya Mrutyunjayaya Sarveshwaraya Sadhashivaya Shrimanmahadevaya Namaha. Om Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya. Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Trayambakaya Tripurantakaya Trikagnikalaya Kalagnirudraya Nilakantaya Mrutyunjayaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Shrimanmahadevaya Namaha. Shrimanmahadevaya Namaha. Shrimanmahadevaya Namaha. Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Trayambakaya Tripurantakaraya Trikagnikalaya Kalagnirudraya Nilakantaya Mrutyunjayaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Shrimanmahadevaya Namaha. Shrimanmahadevaya Namaha. Shrimanmahadevaya Namaha. Shrimanmahadevaya Namaha. Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Trayambakaya Tripurantakaya Trikagnikalaya Kalagnirudraya Nilakantaya Mrutyunjayaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Shrimanmahadevaya Namaha. Shrimanmahadevaya Namaha. Shrimanmahadevaya Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya Namaha. So I got the Pradosha time exactly, so it's very powerful, energetic mantra. So to remain me also. So hope you also have the chanting is different than the bhajans, but still the very special timing. So that will try this today. Okay, we have the next section next week. Thank you. Dhanyawad.